the kind cat.
Just right.
Cat, come with me. A big problem in the forest.
A problem? I'm coming! Don't worry, my friends. I'll make the water come back to the river. Dear cat, make a good thing and then water will come back to the river. I must continue to do good things.
Thank you, kind cat. You saved me.
You're very welcome, little friend.
I am so happy.
Me too. I'm so happy today. Oh, the dry river. I did a good thing. It's wonderful.
Oh, thank you so much for saving me.
You're very welcome, little friend. The dry river. I must help.
Thank you, Magic Queen. You brought water back to the river.
You're the real queen. The real queen.
Thank you, Magic Queen. You brought water back to the river. You are the real queen.